What if I told you that the future you, stronger, calmer, financially free, begins with a choice that costs just $4? Not a lottery ticket. Not a risky investment, just a small, ordinary decision you make every day. A coffee you don't buy, a snack you don't grab, a convenience you pause before saying yes to. $4. On its own, it feels laughably insignificant, almost insulting. What could that possibly change? But that question is exactly where most people stop, and where progress quietly slips away. Because growth doesn't announce itself with fireworks. It whispers, "Here's the truth. It's never about the $4. It's about what happens after you skip it. You choose to redirect that money. You invest it. You let time do what time does best. Compound, day after day, year after year, and slowly, almost invisibly at first, that $4 habit transforms into something extraordinary. With consistency and patience, it can grow into hundreds of thousands of dollars over time. Not because you made a massive sacrifice, but because you made a small promise to yourself and kept it. This is how progress really works. It's uncomfortable at the beginning. You don't feel different. You don't see results. You might even feel silly for trying. But discipline rarely feels good in the moment. It feels good later. And every time you skip that $4 habit, you're doing something far more powerful than saving money. You're proving to yourself that you are in control. You're saying, "I don't need instant comfort. I can delay gratification. I believe my future is worth more than this moment." That belief changes everything. Because once you realize you can do this with $4, you realize you can do it with your time, with your energy, with your habits, with your life. And one day you'll look back, not shocked by the money, but amazed by the person you became, by choosing consistency over comfort. So here's your call to action. Today, identify one small habit that costs you $4. Money, time, or focus. Skip it once, redirect it intentionally, and do it again tomorrow. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for proof. Don't wait until it feels easy. Take one step forward today, because the smallest steps taken daily are what carry you to extraordinary places. Your future is being built right now, one decision at a time.